Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Coinbase Wallet to Uniswap. First, ensure you have the Coinbase Wallet browser extension installed and ready. This extension acts as your bridge to decentralized applications like Uniswap. Next, make sure your wallet is funded with enough Ethereum to cover any transaction gas fees. These fees are essential for processing trades on the blockchain. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and efficient trading experience on the Uniswap platform. Before connecting, open your Coinbase Wallet extension and log in. It's crucial to confirm that you have sufficient Ethereum in your wallet. This will be used to pay for the network's gas fees, which are necessary for every transaction on Uniswap. Always double-check your balance to avoid any interruptions during your trading process. Remember, securing your recovery phrase is paramount for your fund's safety. Now, navigate to the official Uniswap website in your web browser. Look for the Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click this button, and a list of wallet options will appear. Select Coinbase Wallet from this list. Your browser extension will then prompt you to confirm the connection, allowing Uniswap to interact with your wallet securely. Once connected, you can select the tokens you wish to swap on the Uniswap interface. Enter the amounts, and the platform will show you the estimated exchange rate and potential gas fees. Always review all transaction details carefully before confirming your trade. After confirmation, your Coinbase wallet will prompt you to approve the transaction. For more great deals and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below. This ensures your swap is executed smoothly and securely on the blockchain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.